Check your workspace serenity in 2025. I always dreamed of having a piece of nature indoors. Now, with the innovative Green Space Oasis line, transforming your personal environment has never been easier. The LEGO Botanicals Lucky Bamboo set made it possible without the upkeep. I spent an afternoon building, each piece coming together with the perfect touch of tranquility. It gracefully adorns my desk, offering a splash of summer and a bit of serenity to my workday. Knowing it stands as a symbol of good fortune, it's not just a decoration, it's an extension of my nature-loving self. Check Amazon customers' reviews in the link below, discover the beauty of LEGO Botanicals today, and elevate your space. Check Amazon customers' reviews in the link below, discover the beauty of LEGO Botanicals today, and elevate your space.